Welcome to another edition of Judge the World with Judge the Beast, and today we are going to be mounting a 212cc Predator engine onto this Baja mini bike. Stay tuned for the outcome. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, like I said earlier, we are going to be building a 212cc Predator engine on this brand new Baja mini bike that I have just bought myself. We have the owner and CEO of Mudbuddies LLC.
I just slapped on a 212cc gas engine on here in this Baja MB200, if I'm not mistaken. We're gonna do what we can for today. We don't have the bolt that actually connects to the crankshaft, the centrifugal plug bolt. So we're just gonna go ahead and bolt on the engine, mount it up, line it up with the back sprocket, get everything going with the clutch, connect the back brake, the light, and then put some oil on there with some gas and get it going.
Sounds good. Let's get it done. Keep in mind, ladies and gentlemen, we are doing this from the comfort of my own home in the living room because we are ghetto as all hell.
All right, man, we're gonna get her cranked up first time. Threw the oil in there.
Let's go. That's how you build a Predator